Okay guys, so today we're going to make some gluten-free Dutch baby or oven pancake. So let's get started and putting everything together. If you want to make the regular oven pancake or Dutch baby, you just have to switch out the gluten-free flour with regular flour and everything else stays the same. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our gluten-free oven pancake or Dutch baby as it's also called. So first we're going to need 3 eggs that we're going to whisk together. Okay, so now I'm going to add in very slowly my 3/4 cup of gluten-free all-purpose flour, baking flour. I'm going to add in now my milk. This is 3/4 cup of milk. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of butter, I'm also going to add a dash of Angostura bitters, and I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt. Alright, so it's now nicely incorporated. So now what I have here is my pan, but I'm going to use parchment paper, and this makes it easy for the pancake to come out. So we just put parchment paper and we're just going to pour our batter in. Okay, so now we're just going to put this into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit in order to bake. Okay guys, so our Dutch baby or oven pancake is all completed. I usually serve this with some icing sugar. Let me just transfer it onto the plate. Still hot. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. Sorry about that. So what I usually do is I usually sprinkle it. Sorry about all the noise that I'm making. What I usually do is sprinkle it with some confectionery sugar, and I usually have it with some maple syrup. It goes really nice with some maple syrup. So, and usually Just cut it in 4. And then each person gets 1 slice, and then we will top it with some maple syrup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.